Hey, what's up guys? Today I've got a Toyota Corolla right here, and I'm gonna show you exactly where to find the windshield wiper fuse and give you some quick, easy troubleshooting tips if your wipers just gave up on you. So let's jump in. Alright, starting with the 2003 to 2008 Corolla, also known as the E130. First things first, right under the hood, we've got our cabin fuse box. Now look on the right side, the gray 25 MP fuse and the blue 15 AM fuse. That's the one powering your windshield and rear wipers. This fuse sends power to the wiper switch and the wiper motor under the hood. No fuse puller? No worries. Grab a pair of needle nose pliers or even your nail clippers. Get in there and pull it out. Check it for burns or breaks. Mine? Solid. But if yours is blown, easy fix. Next, up 2008 to 2013, the E140 model. Alright, first things first. Pop open your driver's side fuse panel. You'll find it just under the dash, right here. To open it, pull the cover out and then up. Now check this fuse. The main wiper fuse is this 25 amp fuse right here. You can try to wiggle it out. Look inside and make sure the metal strip is intact. Alright, in the 2014 to 2018 Corolla, let's move inside the car. Yep, we're heading to the cabin fuse box. It's tucked away under the dashboard on the left side console. You may need to kneel down and look underneath the steering wheel to spot it easily. Now, inside here, look for the 25 MP fuse on the left-hand side. That's your windshield wiper fuse. If you don't have a fuse puller, don't sweat it. Grab some needle nose pliers or even your trusty nail clippers. Boom! Fuse out. Check the metal strip inside. If it's broken, you've got your culprit. If it's good, let's move on. Now for the new E210 Corolla from 2019 to 2024. First, check the underhood fuse box in this location. This is the engine fuse panel on the M20A FKS and 2ZR5 motors. So here is the fuse that you need to check. There's a 30 MP green fuse responsible for the windshield wipers. This fuse is the one that actually sends power to the wiper motor. Now let's move inside the car. Yep, we're heading to the cabin fuse box. You may need to kneel down and look just left of the driver's footwell to spot it easily. Check this 15 amp in blue color related to the rear wiper. Pull it out, check continuity, or swap with a known good one. And that's it. Your windshield wipers should be working like new. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Got advice for other Corolla owners? Share the love. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY car tips. Catch you in the next one.